True friends are never apart, maybe in distance but never in heart. And when such friends visit you after years, it became so important to set up a room so that they feel comfortable and cozy at your home.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geetika Arya. So in today's video, I am going to set our guest bedroom for the guests. Actually, I am expecting a very close friend of mine who is coming to meet us after almost 2 years, and I am extremely excited. So I will try to set this room in a way that her stay would be very comfortable and cozy, and I gave it a lot of thought that what all essential items should be there. I will try to mention the links in the description box below. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page. Now without further ado, let's start the video.
So firstly, I wanted to change my fan as it is quite old and now we were having some issues with it. So I thought to order a fan, and Orpat is always my first choice as it is an established brand. It's a conglomerate of companies headquartered in Gujarat and is in existence for over 50 years. The Orpat group operated in several different industries including consumer electronic, lighting, home appliances and whatnot. It is the same company which make Ajanta watches also. So I visited their website and I loved their BLDC fan range and selected this gorgeous wooden look fan for my room. The model is Money Saver Silencio 28 watts and I think it will perfectly go with the room decor. So we got this fan installed and it's energy efficient and would save up to rupees 1750 rupees per year. It has aerofoil blades inspired by aerodynamic design of aircraft wings and delivers air very nicely with thrust. Also guys, you don't have to ask your siblings or your partner to turn on or off the fan, so no more fighting. Just buy this fan as it can be operated with the remote. It has boost, sleep and timer modes in it. With the timer mode, you can easily set the timer according to your requirement. This fan comes with the LED light. So I'm giving the link in the description box below and go check it out and get yourself this gorgeous fan guys. So those who follow me, they already know that the room theme is yellow, white and black. So those who have not seen the video, I will provide the link in the upper corner of this video so you can check that out. So firstly, I changed the bed sheet. We got this new bed sheet from Myntra recently. I will give the link in the description box below and I really like it. The D Decor brand is really good for bed sheets. I really love their bed sheets. It's so smooth and soft cotton. The quality is really good and perfectly go with the decor. We already have the sitting chair over this corner, you can see. I like to keep my guest room very subtle, sophisticated and minimal. To make this bed even more comfortable, we place this beautiful AC comforter on the foot end of this bed. It's of cotton and again very soft. Then on this side we place this wooden side table. It's quite spacious, and on that we place this alarm clock and this gorgeous tray. And on the tray we place this bottle of water and a glass. These are the essentials which should be placed in the guest room. Then in this basket I placed other essentials like some brush, tongue cleaner, comb, cream, lotions, Vaseline, a sewing kit, whatever can be required by the friends. So we place these tissues also because girls always require such kind of tissues. So now I place them in the guest rooms only. I also placed a hair dryer because when you get ready, women especially, they require a hair dryer as well. Then in this beautiful basket, I got this from West Side. I placed some towels, bath towels as well as face towels. And over that I placed this tissue roll. Then I wrote a note for my friend. It's a welcome note and it's a funny one too. So if you want to know the wording, follow me on Instagram. I'll let you know what I wrote in this note. Then I just rolled this note and put a ribbon over it. And then I just placed it in the basket. Over this corner I added this artificial money plant to add some greenery. Then I added a planter with a real money plant. Then I placed the side table and over that I placed the basket with all the essential items. Then this basket I placed over the bed. I sprayed some room freshener in the room, then come to the washroom. So firstly I hang this Airwick room freshener, then I placed all the essentials like shampoo, conditioner, body wash. I placed a beautiful plant over here, added a dustbin with the new polythene and a towel, because these are all essential items, right? Then this Harpic Flushmatic, it's really amazing. You just have to add it in the flush and it keeps your flush clean and hygienic.
All for today. I hope you like this video. I try to incorporate a lot of ideas, so let me know in the comment section below how you like these ideas. Make sure you like this video, share this video, and guys, subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.